name's Lisa and I work at the Museum of Hartlepool and Hartlepool Art Gallery. Today I'm going to show you some of the objects from our collection, all related to food. We all know that we should eat a healthy, balanced diet with lots of fruit and vegetables. Let's see some healthy food from the past. This Victorian girl had a job picking fruit, which she would sell. Her basket is full of fresh cherries. She might have sold them to a market stall like this one. They haven't changed much, have they? Perhaps some of the fruit from this stall would have been made into apple dumplings, like this next painting. You can see a wooden butter churn on the table. The butter is mixed with the flour to make pastry, and then fruit would be put inside the pastry with a little sugar and baked. The next painting is called the Cardinal's Lunch. A cardinal is someone who is high up in the church. I can't work out if he's eating a slice of squash, like a pumpkin or butternut, or maybe it's a slice of juicy melon. What do you think he's eating? Healthy eating, though, is all about balance. Everyone deserves a treat. This painting is called Woman Eating Crisps and shows her tipping up the packet to get the last crumbs. What food do you like to eat as a special treat? Back in World War II, there were food shortages and rationing was introduced. Certain foods were in short supply, such as those imported by ships. So you used a ration book to make sure that the food was shared as fairly as possible. The war ended in 1945, but rationing went on until 1954. During this time, people were encouraged to grow their own food in their gardens. People dug up lawns and any scraps of land they could to grow fruit and vegetables. The government introduced the characters of Dr. Carrot and Potato Pete, with lots of recipes available, such as curried carrot, carrot jam, and if you ran out of ice cream or ice lollies, you would have a carrot lolly instead. To make a carrot lolly, you need an adult to help: a carrot, a wooden stick, a vegetable peeler and a knife. Carefully, with an adult's help, chop the ends off the carrot and peel off the skin. Use the peeler so it cuts away from you. And then turn it round and do the other side. Then, all you need to do is get a stick and push it into the carrot. And there you go, a carrot lolly. You think I'm joking, don't you? Have a look at these photographs. It's true. Have a go yourself. It's actually a great healthy snack. Thank you for watching, everyone.